Surya Kumar Yadav ने क्या बोला? It is an unbelievable feeling, obviously playing in India, leading to such a wonderful side with the World Cup happening here, going to Ahmedabad to play that final. I think it's a really special feeling for the boys. I think he knew what he wanted to do as soon as he went into bat on Sanju Samson. Even when a wicket fell, he knew the wicket was good, so he kept pressing the pedal. The way he batted was exactly what the team required. It was due after all the hard work he's been putting in over the last year. It was a special knock today. On the England run chase, oh my God, I just told Harry Brook, how much more do we need to score against you guys? मतलब ये देखिए, ये भी बड़ी बात है, इसको क्लोजअप में लेंगे, एक बार आइएगा. सूर्य कुमार यादव ने मैच जीतने के बावजूद जाके हैरी ब्रुक को बोला है कि भाई तुम लोग के अगेंस्ट कितने रन बनाऊं मैं, हमारी टीम कितने रन बनाए कि सेफ रहे कि 250 रन पे भी तुमने चीखें निकाल दी, 250 पे भी पहुंच गए. मतलब आप सोचो, वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल में पहुंच गई इंडिया, फिर भी सूर्य कुमार यादव हैरी ब्रुक से पूछ रहा है कि भाई तू बजाते चाहता क्या है. कमाल कर दिया बेथल ने, कमाल कर दिया जैक्स ने, लेकिन मेनली बेथल ने जो मारा है, इवन जोफ्रा लास्ट ओवर में 3 छक्के मार गया. भाई आपकी हालत पतली कर दी उन्होंने, आपको बॉलिंग में चेंज करने पड़ेंगे, वरुण को कुछ ना कुछ तो करो. और सूर्य को भी सल्यूट है भाई कि फाइनल में पहुंचा जरूर है, लेकिन आपके ऑपोजिशन कप्तान को जिसने बोला कि आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ माई बॉयज, उसको आपने पूरी इज्जत दी. इज्जत देनी बनती भी थी यार. 250 के चेज में वो 7 रन से हारे हैं, ऑलमोस्ट मैच जीत गए वो. आइए जी दिखाइएगा सर सूर्य कुमार यादव, ठीक है. बट ऑनेस्टली it was a good wicket. The way they batted, I don't want to take any credit away from them. They were always in the game and always in the chase. But the way Jasprit Bumrah, Arshdeep Singh and others bowled, Arshdeep नहीं यार, Hardik था main. Hardik Pandya and Jasprit Bumrah and the others bowled, pulled the game back, was unbelievable. We all know what he's capable of and what he's done for India over the years on Jasprit Bumrah. He did the same thing again today, raised his hand and showed the character to pull the game away from them. It was a special bowling performance. I think we need to give some credit to our fielding coach T. Dilip as well. यार अक्षर पटेल को भाई. T. Dilip अकेले अक्षर ने कहा है. On India's superb catching, the way he's been working with the boys in the practice session. खुद तो आपने चौका छोड़ दिया था. Making them fun and competitive. The boys have responded really well, even after their personal skills sessions, and put in extra work for the team, and that's showing on the field. In this team, everything is settled till number 3 on the left-right batting and promotion of Shivam Dube. So we didn't want to change anything, but when we saw Adil Rashid bowling from one end, Dube was a perfect matchup. Even if I had scored a 50 or 100 in the last game, if the team needed that change today, it was the right call. ये बात तो सही है, वैसे प्रूव करा. शिवम दुबे आया, आदिल रशीद को उसने आउट ऑफ द इक्वेशन कर दिया. वो चेंज हो गया था गेम, वही टर्निंग पॉइंट हो गया था गेम का. Very nervous. If someone had checked my heartbeat, it would have been easily 160, 175. But that's part of the game. If he was nervous during the chase, भाई हालत खराब थी. It was a wonderful semi-final, and now we are very happy to go to the final. On the crowd, the moment we came in the warm-ups, the stadium already was 75-80% full. That shows how badly they wanted India to do well today. Even though we batted first, they were really happy with the way we played. Hopefully we gave them a great show going into the finals. Thoughts on the final? There will be definitely pressure and nerves, especially playing India and going for the title, playing New Zealand. But the boys and the whole support staff are excited as well. Talia bhai. Yes. जी इमरान खालिद बोल रहे, congratulations to Pakistan over the India victory. We are really praying for India. We all are not the same. We love you. Best wishes for the final. Thank you, brother. Itna acha message dene ke liye. Sanju Samson, player of the match. Feels really great, to be honest. Kind of knew that I got some from going from the last game. So I thought I need to continue. I think it's not easy. You find form at the crucial games for your country. So I thought, big game, I need to make the most of how I'm batting. So I gave myself an extra time. I calculated my innings, extra time, bhai 200-250 की साइड में मार के गया. I calculated my innings a bit. I prepared really well, and I think these things came off nicely. Got a bit lucky off start. जो शुरू में लक मिला था इसको, कैच छूटी थी ब्रुक से, वहीं पे तो गेम ही खत्म हो गई थी. आई थिंक आई जस्ट वांटेड टू कैरी ऑन, लेकिन 250 के बाद भी हम सेफ नहीं थे. आई थिंक नोइंग प्लेइंग इन वानखेड़े, वी नो दैट नो स्कोर इज स्टॉपेबल हियर. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गेट एज मच एज पॉसिबल runs wise. Even 250 looked like chaseable here, and England played really well. I think all credit goes to how they batted, and we really had a great semi-final. Batting first versus second, as I told before, I think you need to assess the conditions. I think, we have played a lot of cricket here in Wankhede, as I said before. Chasing becomes a bit easier. They won the toss, put us into bat, so we knew after the way we batted, I think the way myself and Ishan batted, the partnership which we had for after Abhishek got out, I thought that I think 250 should be. मतलब वही तो है ना, ईशान और संजू की पार्टनरशिप मेन थी.
Actually,
ईशान ने बड़ा ठोक दिया था.
217 के strike rate
फिनिश
से
आपने इसीलिए इतना अच्छा करा है, प्लेटफॉर्म बड़ा अच्छा सेट था.
इस मतलब संजू ईशान ने जो बीच में आके 39 मारे थे मेरे ख्याल से बड़े क्विक फायर थे वो, और स्ट्राइक रेट भी पूरी अपने के लिए था. एंड प्लस ईशान किशन फाइनली 3 नंबर पे उसने हर मैच में 30-30 35-35 रन मारे हैं. अगर आप बात करोगे जिम्बाब्वे वाला मैच, वहां पे भी उसके थे 35 रन. यहाँ बात करोगे उसने यहाँ पे भी रन मारे, हर मैच में करा.
I thought that 250 should be possible here, so that's what we were talking about in the dressing room as well. So yeah, very happy how the team turned up today. आप 10 रन शॉर्ट होते मैच हार जाते, 250 चाहिए चाहिए और एंड में हो ही गया. लास्ट के 2 ओवर में बना है, 18वें ओवर में रन नहीं आए थे. जोफ्रा के ओवर में रन आए, 3 छक्के पड़ गए, फिर जैक्स के ओवर में 2 छक्के पड़ गए. पहले मारा तिलक ने, फिर मारा हार्दिक ने, और वो रनआउट बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट था कि भैया शिवम दुबे रनआउट हो गया, फिर जोफ्रा को ठोक गया तिलक. तिलक ने भी क्या मारा, तिलक ने भी क्या मारा. So yeah, very happy how the team turned up today, and all credit goes to Jasprit Bumrah. I think he's a world class bowler, once in a generation bowler. I think that's why what he delivered today. I think this should go to him actually, player of the match. मतलब संजू ने बोला है कि player of the match जसप्रीत बुमराह है.
तो खुद कह रहा हूं.
इसको क्लोजअप में लीजिएगा जी, इसको क्लोजअप में लीजिएगा. आज संजू सैमसन ने देखिए क्या बोला. उसने बोला है कि भाई मैं प्रेजेंटेशन स्पीच में जब उसको प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच मिला है, उसने बोला मैं प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच नहीं हूं आज. जसप्रीत बुमराह ने जिस तरीके की बॉलिंग कराई, वंस इन अ जनरेशन बॉलर, आज संजू सैमसन ने क्लियर कर दिया कि जसप्रीत बुमराह डिजर्व्स द प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच. जिस पिच पे 500 रन पड़ गए भाई साहब, वहां बुमराह भाई साहब आए, लगातार विकेट्स ली. मतलब शुरू में उन्होंने आउट करा, एंड में उन्होंने आउट करा, ब्रुक को उन्होंने आउट करा, फिर विल जैक्स को उन्होंने आउट करा, गेम ही खत्म कर दी है ना. तो जिस तरीके से बुमराह ने बॉलिंग कराई और 8 रन पर ओवर, काबिले तारीफ. 18वें ओवर में बुमराह ने 6 रन दिए, मैच आप वहां से जीत गए. उसके बाद हार्दिक ने 9 रन दिए. तो संजू इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट कि प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच वाज should have been given to Jasprit Bumrah. आइए जी दिखाइए और क्या बोला उन्होंने. I think I would not be standing here. All credit goes to the bowlers, how they backed themselves in tough conditions on the Wankhede crowd. Oh wow, I think as you have witnessed here, I think it's an unbelievable feeling to play in Wankhede right from childhood. I think the way people support actually both the teams, India team, also the England team, I think they were the real supporters of cricket as well. So I really enjoyed playing here, but I think we wanted to put in a positive result for them. But very happy result actually made them happy today. Hundreds matter? I think not at all. मतलब बोल रहा 100 तो मैटर ही नहीं करता. I think 100. I think actually 100 no. You score 100, it actually comes in the process. क्या actually हो रहा है हर बार में actually. It's not a test game. It's not an ODI game where you can go up and down. Once you've got the start, you're batting first. There is no other way. You've just got to keep going hard. And once, I think, end up on the right side, who knows, I think which amount of runs I'm going to get. So I'm very happy to get whatever I'm getting and happy to contribute on the winning side for my country. मतलब संजू सैमसन ने ये भी बोल दिया कि भैया सेंचुरी मैटर नहीं करती, ये टेस्ट मैच नहीं है, ये ओडीआई नहीं है जहां आप पहले मारो फिर थोड़ा रोको फिर मार सकते हो. यहाँ पे आपको एक ही गियर में खेलना पड़ता है, हार्ड जाना पड़ता है, और फिर उसमें जितने रन मिल गए. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि 89 आए लेकिन मैच जीत गए, खत्म बात है. सेंचुरी मैटर नहीं करती. आगे आ जाइए. हैरी ब्रुक. We just thought there might be a little bit of hold early on with the pitch being fresh, and we expected a bit more spin in the first innings, but it didn't quite turn out that way. Obviously, they played extremely well on Indian batting. All of our lads should be really proud of the way we played tonight, and throughout this competition, absolutely, I'll hold my hands up and say I made a big mistake there dropping Sanju Samson. बिल्कुल सही बात है जी. As the old saying goes, catches win matches, and unfortunately things just didn't go our way in the field tonight. At the end of the day, it cost us. Just a bit of mis-execution here and there on the bowling. We probably didn't execute as well as we could have, but the Indian batters are some of the best in the world, and if you mis-execute against them, the ball goes out of the park. So yeah, we probably didn't execute as well as we could have, but like I said, we gave it a red hot तो हो गया था, crack, and unfortunately ended up on the wrong side of the result. He was absolutely unbelievable. Jacob Bethel. I think he's going to earn some serious money in his career and have a fantastic career with England. He showed the world how good he is tonight. Unfortunately, we were on the wrong side, but that innings is a huge positive to take away from this competition. Seeing him go out there and take the game on from ball one, showing everyone what he can do. It was special. I think we had a good tournament. To be honest, like I said earlier, we should be extremely proud of the way we played. I mentioned the other day that we were never out of the games, and that was proven again tonight. Chasing 250, other teams might have folded or crumbled. भाई बिल्कुल सही बात है. बाकी न्यूजीलैंड होती ना अगर 250 के आसपास भी ना होती
बहुत
आज.
मारा है
इन्होंने मारा है or crumbled away, but we stuck at it the whole game. We gave it a real go, and unfortunately, we were just on the wrong side of it tonight.
95 पे 4 होने के बाद
हो गया वापस आ जाइए.
246
कमाल की भाई.